Hey everybody, welcome to Master of None Garage. I'm inside my house. This is where it all starts today. Today I'm going to be making a hat rack from some crap I have in the garage just laying around, taking up space. And this is where I'm going to be hanging it. There's our front door. We have a canvas wall, all sorts of cool canvases. There's the Caprice up there. Speaking of the Caprice, I'm uploading a video that I go into kind of detail about what I want to do with the Caprice. That's uploading right now. It's probably already live. If it's already live, I'm gonna leave a link somewhere, so go check that out. Also, if you like today's video, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below on what you think of today's video and how I can improve. I'm always open to suggestions. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. All right, we're in the shop. I want to show you what I'm working with. It's this Racecar Flathead. It was only used once, I believe. You can kind of tell by the bottom how it's got that pattern from the gasket material from the head gasket. And it's pretty clean. But basically, what I'm seeing here is I can clean this thing up, and these spark plugs, I can take these out and weld to them. That can be the hat rack part, and this bottom part can be the coat rack part. So I'm going to start to take it all apart and start to clean it up so it's not so grimy looking, because it's going to be hanging in our house. So here we go. All right, so it cleaned up really nice, and I think I'm gonna clear it. It's kind of shiny. Yeah, I'm gonna clear it, and I think if I can take these studs out, I will. And then I kind of like the little brass fitting there, and I'm gonna weld some hooks onto these spark plugs one at a time. I gotta cut these handles off of these, and I think we'll be done with this project. So I'm gonna get to welding the hooks on to the spark plugs and clearing the head. So I decided to go for a different style spark plug, and I'll show you what I did. This is the style of spark plug I'm going with. And what I did was I cut this little ridge right here on top of the hex. And I cut that and took that off. And then you're able to take the whole porcelain piece out of the spark plug. And this is what we're gonna end up with. And with this, I can put something inside here and weld it, and then this just screws into the head, and I'll have like a little hook. So I'm going to start welding what I'm going to be using for these hooks. So here we go. All right, so I'm done. This one was pretty simple to do. So here it is. So some are short and some are long. And I welded them straight to the bottom of the spark plugs. And then I bent these up a little bit. So when you hang a coat on there, it's good to go. So I'm gonna go hang this thing up and we'll see how she looks. Are you still recording?
Yeah. This is my husband. You might know him from his channel thing called Garage Masters of some stuff.
Not even close. Oh, wow. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me what's going on?
I'm gonna hang this thing up.
You're gonna hang it up?
Yep.
Wait, where are you gonna do that at?
I'm gonna do it right here.
Where you gonna do stuff?
Yep.
With the other stuff?
Uh-huh. First I gotta find a stud. Oh, I found one. Huh.
Make more noise.
Oh. All right, so how high should it be, sweetie?
A good amount.
A good many?
Yeah, a good many.
This is the top of it, right here.
Oh, stud.
Right there?
Sure
You want
thing.
it to be that tall?
It could be higher, doesn't it?
That tall?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What are you gonna do now?
I gotta go get a level.
Okay.
All right.
I see you still.
Hi.
Custer.
That's my word.
Frank.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
I got my wife's level. And I got some washers.
What are you gonna do? Wash yourself?
No.
Dad joke video.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay. That's solid. Look at that. And check this out. True test. Anyways, that's all we got time for today. I'll see you in the next one. If you like today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. And my wife wants you to comment down below.
Comment, y'all.
Bye.